പ്രാപ്യമായ പ്രകൃതിയിലെ വൈദഗ്ധ്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്.
Winter is still 6 months away, but this family of beavers can't relax. They've got work to do to get themselves through the frozen months ahead. They need to change this whole environment. They've set it aside for dam building. Rocks and stones form the base, and wooden debris finishes it off. It's a mammoth undertaking, but one that they're more than capable of achieving. A single beaver can move 10 times its body weight per day, almost 500 pounds. Once all the work's done, they'll have a new home. And more importantly, somewhere to store food once the cold spell kicks in. But their food store is no simple affair. It's a high-tech solution, a deep water refrigerator. To construct that, they'll need a much bigger, deeper lake. That means building up the dam at a rate of 5 feet per day. And to increase depth, they dig mud from the river bottom and use it to plug gaps in the dam, making it watertight. After 2 months, the dam has grown to an impressive 300 feet in length, and the pond stretches back over a mile upstream. Now the beavers change tactics. A series of channels are dug out that radiate from the lake to allow easy access to trees and keep the beavers safe from predators like bears. Beavers are actually dog-sized rodents. They're the ultimate lumberjacks, with built-in chainsaws made up of powerful jaw muscles and 4 ultra-sharp incisors that constantly regrow as they wear down. They can gnaw their way through a cottonwood tree 3 feet thick in just a matter of hours. This single beaver will chop down more than 200 trees a year. And most of this wood ends up on the menu. Beavers eat bark and wood, but they'll chop down far more than they can stomach in one sitting. That's where the fridge comes in. The wood is chopped into pieces, dragged down to the bottom of the lake, and pushed into the mud to stop it from drifting away. The beaver family can store almost 150 pounds worth of wood, and low water temperatures keep the wood fresh right through the winter. But not all the wood goes into storage. Once the lake reaches a certain depth, the beavers start lodge building. This multi-chambered shelter, raised above water level, is 20 feet in diameter and houses up to 5 beavers. Come winter, these beavers will have a snug waterfront home in which to raise their young, safe from predators. And with plenty of food available from their easy-access underwater freezer.